Hello Spider Peeps. Okay, this is another Aliexpress video, but just dealing with this one product. I was doing one of my late night scrolling and I saw this and I actually read it as a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. And then bizarrely, after I looked a little bit more deeply at it, it was a fan. And I thought, what, a power bank and a fan? What else are they going to do? They already put lights in them. So now this is a fan, and now it's a waist fan. What? So I had to get it. It was £13 when I bought it. At the moment it's £16.29, but as usual on Ali, if you add them you get discount, don't you? So I've got no idea how much this will actually cost, but here it is. So, portable waist fan. Was it a waste? Probably. All right, so it's a bit bashed. Did arrive quite quickly though. Did order it with some other things as well, but not worth a haul video. But let's just look at this and see what you get with it. Okay, so we get a bashed box. We get actually quite decent instructions. Looks like a pair of binoculars on there. A Star Wars tattooing binoculars. Yeah, and we've got a carry strap to strap round our waist. I wonder if Spidermaf will get that round his waist. Anyway, and we have a USB-C charging cable. Okay, so it actually feels nice. Feels heavy. This is sort of like a rubbery texture. The sort of thing that you leave in a box and forget about, and then 2 years later you get it out and it's all sticky. But at the moment it feels really good, rubbery. I suppose it's waterproof, although it can't be that waterproof, can it, with a massive gaping hole in the middle? So yeah, I mean, it looks like a jet engine. So I mean, how much room is there for batteries in this? I don't know. There was a lot of noughts in that amp hours, but I reckon this is something like 10 amp hours. Don't know. So let's turn it on. Ah, how annoying. All right, so the nice thing is when I turned it on, it looks like it's a proper LCD there, proper segment display, but it's 0%. Oh no, which means I'm going to have to charge it again. That's frustrating. So I assume that's input. Let's see whether, if I plug this in, whether it'll just start to charge or whether we'll be able to see it working. All right. Oh, nice looking little display there then. A little green charging light. Don't know whether this is just the segments or whether it's just like a little colour OLED. I bet it's not too expensive. So will it turn on now? I mean, how can I review a fan? I mean, well, you can hear it if I point it at the microphone. I mean, it's not the jet engine that it looks like. But honestly, we are going through. Let's stop that. Oh, okay. So I'm blowing that at my face. So right, it looks like when it's plugged into USB, you keep on pushing this and it's the power mode. So 20%, 40%, 60, 80, 100. And the 100 actually, it wasn't a jet engine, but actually blowing in my face. We've got a heat wave at the moment in the UK and the cave's ridiculously hot as usual. And that was actually quite refreshing. But yeah, so we've got to charge it up. And how do we turn that on? So did that light come on when we? Oh, it's the only button. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about this. Let's see what it does. This is actually better quality than I thought it was. I just thought this would be a funny video. but I actually think this might be quite good. It just said it's got an LED display. So how do you turn the, what I'm interested in is how do I turn the light on? You can use it as a portable charger. Wearing the fan, yeah, I think it might be quite nice wearing it round your neck. I don't get this belt strap thing, well, it would go. I'll have to try that. But I mean, where's it going to blow if it's on your belt? I don't know. So where's the instructions about how do we turn the light on? Using the fan as a portable charger, using the fan. It doesn't tell you how to charge this up. What happens if I... So it doesn't tell you how to turn that on. There's no other button. Can you see any buttons? So it's got to be through this. So what happens if I hold it? Or just push it once? No, it just turns on. So what happens if I hold it? Ah, right, okay. So there's the light. I can read this comfortably in that light. It's not as harsh as some of the LED lights, so this might be quite useful. I mean, I wonder whether we can change that and change how that works as well. Oh, no. No. Sorry about that, everyone. Yeah, I'm going to have to put a flashing light warning in because of that now. Yeah, so it still goes through the stupid flashing things, but yeah, I think you could use that as a light. I actually like this. I want to see what batteries are in it. So this bit here says lithium polymer battery. So is there a pouch cell in here? So the only thing I can see, right. Excellent. Right, so this is good. Excited Spidermaf. So this is just a silicone sleeve. So that might not go manky. All right, so let's take the sleeve off and see what else we've got underneath it. We've definitely now got some screws down there, which look like Phillips screws. I'm going to need my long screwdriver for that. Right, I mean, it looks like this isn't stuck together, which is really good. So we can get it apart and look at what the battery's like. I really want to get it apart without destroying it. Oh, that's annoying. That's tighter than the other one. Right, is that coming apart yet? Let's try a smaller one. Oh, that's still okay. This is a slightly pointier Phillips screw. Phillips or crosshead or whatever they are. So I tend not to use that. I use that for like taking laptops apart. So will that come now? Looks like it's close. Where's the other screw? This one just does not want to come out. Okay, but I think we're okay. I think we can do this. Oh, nice pouch cell. Oh. Two nice pouch cells. You know, this is nice. I don't like that bit though. I don't like that bit. Can you see the problem down there? Can you see this circuit board? And it has those pins in it, which is the back of the little LED display. But that theoretically is pushing directly against the cell. A bit scary, isn't it? Okay, yeah, I think it'll be all right. Let's just have a look at these cells. I mean, they're not squidged in, there's some weight to them, and they are. So they're 500 milliamp hours, 18.5 watt cells. So yeah, 500 milliamp hours. So that is 10,000 milliamp hours altogether. What's that? 10,000 milliamp hours? That's 10 amp hours, isn't it? Let me know if I've worked that out right. I just knock 3 noughts off it, don't I? And that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, so I'm going to get this charged up. We're going to put it back together very carefully so as not to put any pressure against that. I mean, it did sort of slip apart, so that's okay. I'm just worried about these extra things that are popping off the top now. Get that board seated. Actually, there's a plastic thing down the bottom of that, and it actually looks like this board doesn't push into the battery. So yeah, and I mean, look at this, it's got socketed connections as well, so you could probably change these batteries. I'm impressed by this. I am impressed by this. Right, let's see if I can put it back together. So I just noticed when I was doing this, how did I not notice before, there's a belt clip on one side with this extra bit on. There's a belt clip on that side as well. So you could maybe have it blowing up or blowing down depending on where you clipped it. This is quite a good device. I like this. Okay, this is one of the most interesting things I've bought just on a whim off Ali. So I reckon, you know what I reckon this would be useful for? If you were a cosplayer and you had lights in your costume. Well, one of the things that Adam Savage speaks about when he's cosplaying is how hot it can get sometime. So to have a little fan, which also you could power a couple of LED lights, USB lights on your costume, I think that would be quite a good use case for it. What do you think? What would you do with it? Let me know in the comments. All right, I suppose the only thing I've got to do now is just charge it up. Yeah, so if it takes a charge and output power there, it's 100%. If it doesn't do that and it's all a con and those cells don't charge, well, that'll be the decider, won't it? All right, we'll come back in a few minutes. Decided to use a slightly better charger. Okay, so I think I've left this charging for about, probably about 3 hours. I can't be scientific about it. And this number's definitely started going up. It's a bit weird though. Look at this, if this zooms in. Yeah, look at that. The least significant digit flashes while it's charging. But it does look like it's taking a charge. Doesn't feel hot at all. So will it, if I unplug this, will it continue? Yeah, so I mean, it's actually good having a proper battery percentage on it. How accurate that is, we don't know. So will it fan me purely on battery power? It's very relaxing in this heat. Let's go to full power. 100%. Okay, and then a long press will turn that on. So I suppose the other thing is, let's turn that off. Whoops, no! No! So what have I got that I can just charge that with? I could try and reverse charge. Let's see whether this charges my microphone. What? Did I push the button or did that start as soon as I plugged that in? I must have pushed the button. Okay, so if I plug that in there, will it charge? Okay, so it's charging. Right, I am pleased with this gadget. For once, this was worth the £13 off Aliexpress. As long as the batteries hold up. I did find it slightly worrying that the batteries shipped flat. And you know, I've had the other issue with the little multimeter that I had, where the battery just wouldn't charge in the end. Whether I made a mistake with that, I don't know. But yeah, so I was a little bit worried. But the fact that that has held a charge, and it has, I mean, the charge went down a little bit, didn't it? Oh, it won't show the charge now, so I don't know how much it's in there, but let's put it on charge. So I'm gonna put this on charge. I'm gonna edit this video now. If this gets to 100, I think it will. Well, it went down a lot, didn't it? I don't know. Wonder how long it will run the fan for. But yeah, at the moment, I think this is quite a cool little device. So I hope you enjoyed this voyage of exploration that you've had with Spidermaf today. And watch the end credits just to see if it will finally go to 100. Bye. Okay, so that's charged to 100%. I did leave it on overnight. Don't really know what the speed of the charging is, so I should be able to turn it on. One thing I did wanted to just check is if I start the fan off, so that's at 20. Right, it's showing that. So how quick does this go down? So this isn't at full speed. Seemed to go quite quick, down to 99%, but it's not dropped as quick to 98. I'll tell you something else I noticed. This thing, look, it's so that you can have it on a desk and point at you, which is quite refreshing as well. So yeah, when you're out and about, I don't know how much charge this has actually got in it and how long this will get going, but yeah, I still love it.